Farm animals. Cow. Cow young ones called calf. Dog. And dog young ones called puppy. Cat. And cat young one called kitten. Horse. And horse young one called foal. Pig. And pig young ones called piglet. Goat. And goat young ones called kid. Sheep. And sheep young one called lamb. Hen. Hen young one called chick. Duck. And duck young one called duckling. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.